We're gonna make a jerk pineapple. When you cut the head off of your pineapple, please don't throw these away. Just go outside and stick them in the ground. 2 years later, you'll have a big pineapple just like that one. We're gonna take the skin off. Also, don't throw these peels away. Get a pot, boil some water, drop them in there, drain the peels out, and you have this perfect pineapple drink. We're gonna cut the pineapple in about 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch thick, very lightly. We are going to put some honey jerk seasoning on the pineapple. Put a couple drops on each one, rub it in, giving the pineapple a little bit of flavor. Same thing on both sides. Oh, I can smell this jerk seasoning. Absolutely delicious. We're gonna drop these on the grill. There you have it. We're gonna let those pineapples sit there for about 5-10 minutes, flip them, and then we are gonna have a sweet, delicious treat. Chill and grill with Grace, guys. This summer, all summer.